Hi, I'm Pat. I'm a lead development technician within the Rotary Scale team. Welcome to this short video in which we'll show you the recommended way to install a Renishaw encoder ring with tapered profile onto a taper shaft like the one here. I'm joined by Esme, hello, a member of our technical support team who will be stepping through the process with us. Spending the time to perform this process thoroughly will ensure your feedback system achieves the published specification and runs smoothly for many years to come. To begin with, we will require some IPA, some lint-free wipes, a ring, some hex keys, a torque driver, some screws, your tapered shaft, and a gauge to measure deflection. Start by cleaning the ring and your tapered shaft.
Am I okay to touch the scale once I've cleaned it, or should I not make sure I don't touch it?
We can clean it again after installation.
Okay.
After cleaning, we just need to place the ring onto the shaft, aligning the holes.
Okay, which holes do I need to align?
The mounting holes are the larger holes on the ring.
Yep. Like that?
Yep. Holding the ring level, I want you to insert 3 screws equally around the ring.
Okay. Why do I need to hold the ring level?
Holding it level will reduce displacement further in installation.
Where do I need to place the screws?
Anywhere around the ring, as long as they're equally distanced.
Okay. A 2.5mm Allen kit?
A 2.5mm hex key is fine. You may want to just hold the ring level whilst you slowly engage the screws.
How tight do the screws need to be?
They just need to start to engage.
Okay. Like that?
Yep. Now we're ready to introduce the gauge. So if you want to put that onto the ring.
Okay, can it go anywhere on the ring, or do I need to avoid the scale?
If you're confident your tip won't mark the ring, you can place it anywhere. If you're unsure, we recommend placing it on the blank above or below the scale. So before we begin, it might be worth giving the ring a full rotation, just to ensure that the gauge is in contact all the way around the ring. At each screw, I want you to monitor the readout and find your high and your low point.
So this screw's at 16 microns, minus 55 microns, and minus 227 microns.
So that value is your low point.
Yep.
And you want to adjust the screw or tighten it to about halfway between your high and your low point.
Okay. I'm going to tighten this one to approximately minus 7.
So repeat, rotate, look at the reading for each screw.
Minus 65, minus 82, and minus 221. So I need to adjust this screw.
That's the one.
I've adjusted it to about minus 80. Try again.
Yep, so repeat the process.
So minus 84, minus 111, and minus 175. So I need to adjust this one again.
Yep. Again, repeat the process, just give the ring a quick rotate.
So minus 139, minus 97, and minus 119. So back round to this one.
Yep.
And move it by about 20 microns.
Yes.
So minus 120, minus 100, and minus 122.
So repeat, adjust it by about 10 microns.
Okay.
And the next one.
So minus 116, minus 103, minus 128. So I need to adjust this one slightly.
Yep.
So minus 117, minus 117, and minus 105.
So the 117 values, I want you to continue to adjust, and you're aiming for the 105 point.
Okay. So a bit more.
Yep. So give the ring a quick rotation now and check each screw.
Minus 108, minus 110, and minus 105.
So that's all good. We can now add all the other screws required for the ring.
Okay, what tolerance does it need to be between on these screws?
So at this point, it needs to be plus or minus 5 microns.
Okay.
We're within tolerance, so we can add the additional screws.
So just add the 3 screws in.
Yep.
And how tight do I need to screw these
You
screws?
can now engage these because we're going to repeat this process on every screw on the ring.
Okay. Lovely. Where's a good point to go from?
So a good reference point would be the mounting screw to the left of the Renishaw logo.
Okay. So minus 111, minus 145, minus 111, minus 128, minus 115, minus 126. So go round to the minus 145 figure.
Yeah, pick your low point and adjust about halfway between the high and the low point.
Okay, so just to around the minus 130 microns.
I know 125, 130.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's at minus 126. So repeat the process.
Yep.
So minus 114, minus 136, minus 117, minus 130, minus 112, and then back to minus 130.
Now we just want to adjust the screws at your high point and bring them nearer to the low point. Screws are now creeping within tolerance. On the final install, we're looking for about plus or minus 3 microns. So
Okay.
I'd recommend just adjusting each screw until you're within a 6 micron runout range.
So starting at the screw to the left of the Renishaw logo.
That's a really good reference spot to begin with.
So this screw's at minus 134. So bring this one a bit closer to our minus 122 figure.
We'd leave that one.
Okay. And that one.
Yep.
Bring this one in a bit closer. And this one in a little bit closer.
So if you want to check each screw around the ring now.
Okay. So starting at 100, minus 126. Those are all within tolerance.
Once they're all within tolerance, we would recommend you using the recommended torque.
Okay, how do I know what the recommended torque is?
The torque will vary dependent on ring size, and that information is available on our installation guides online.
Okay, just work my way around all the screws?
Yeah.
Do I check the measurement when I torque each screw or check it at the end?
We need to torque each screw, so it doesn't really matter whether you do it on the gauge or anywhere around the ring.
Okay. And then back to the Renishaw.
At this point, I would recommend, if you can, re-zeroing your gauge to make the final check easier to monitor.
Okay, shall I do it from the screw to the left of the Renishaw logo?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, that's fine. So if you just want to do what we've done before and check each screw around the ring.
How close in tolerance do these need to be?
They need to be within plus or minus 3 microns or a 6 micron runout. And it looks like this is very well installed ring. All the screws are within tolerance. That's considered a really good ring install.
That's great, thank you.
And that's the process completed. When completed successfully, this process ensures the ring achieves its specified accuracy. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. For more information on all Renishaw products, please visit our website or give us a call. Thanks.